See, our society needs a huge amount of green technology, and for this, I think Europe wants to be carbon neutral by 2050. And to be a carbon neutral, we need new technologies. The new technology from renewable have to address it, and for among them, I think the PV is a very good source for renewable. And currently, the PV market is being dominated by silicon solar cells, which has about 90% deployment. But to be carbon neutral and to fulfill all the energy demand, we need to new technology in the market. And for this, I think thin film photovoltaics is a good push in this. And thin film photovoltaics in the last 10 years, a new type of thin film photovoltaics came. We call perovskite solar cells. There are also another thin film like CIGS, organic photovoltaics. And the performance of these perovskite solar cells is very near to the silicon solar cells. And the whole community is working. This is what this conference is about. It attracted a lot of researchers from across the world. And there are some issues which need to be challenges. The advantage of the thin film photovoltaic is that you can synthesize them, you can fabricate them at low temperature. You don't need to fabricate like in silicon at 1400 degrees centigrade. So it's required low temperatures and doesn't require a very high capital investment. So with low capital budget, you can start some manufacturing of this type of this. That's our things. And also it has to give you another flavor, that is the thickness of silicon solar cell is 300 micron, and while the thickness and this new type of solar cells like perovskite is less than 1 micron. And these are the very good challenges, that if you have a low amount of material, the cost will be down. The commercialization, many companies are working across in Asia, in Europe, are working to commercialize this type of the solar cells. There are some challenges which need to be solved first, like the stability issue. We don't have a 25 years lifetime as of a silicon, but it's almost we are near to the gateway, and we are going to solve this thing. And also these solar cells have a very unique thing, like you can use for indoor applications for the sensors, because they give you a voltage of 1.5 volt to 1.4 volt. So it's also good for Internet of Things. You can synergize them use them as a battery. So most of the sensors which require battery, they can be a battery free. With this type of solar cells, you can harvest the indoor light and push them back. The challenges is that silicon is very cheap thanks to the production line from the Asia, but there is a huge demand and push to new solar cells in the market. And with the perovskite, if we become successful commercially, it will be a game changer for thin film industry and for photovoltaics. And then by doing so, we will achieve our all milestones of being carbon neutral by 2050. Thank you.